Yes, can you able to hear me? Sound.
Content.
Yeah, Barmadi, good afternoon. Okay, hold. Yes, Prajwal. Yeah, okay, you are joined. Fine. I think you are the first person to join today. Okay. Yes, yes. Just hi. Can you see the screen now? Okay. This is the problem which I have taken from the question paper July 2019. Okay. Yes. Yeah, more than what I explain here today, I expect from yourself, from your end, to help me to write the values. Okay, because everyday repetition is of no use. I would like to know how much you have understood so far of such types of problem in PERT and CPM. Am I right? Just have a look. Yes. Yes, 1 to 4, 4 to 6. Yes, take down the values. Optimistic time, first one, TO. Second is most likely time, TM. Third is prismatic time. Yes, TP. Yes, 2, 14, 5, 3, 15, 6. Yes. Okay. No, that I will tell you later. Network we have to draw. After the network, we have to find the expected time or the actual time of each activity. Okay. And the variance of each activity further. Variance of each activity. After that, we have to find variance and standard deviation. Variation and standard deviation. Mahantesh, good morning. Yes, Naikar, good morning. Naikar, can you able to hear me? Yes, please. These are the few things which you need to find out. Okay. Just again look at the problem. Instead of writing optimistic time, sometimes they may write least. Least means, see, can you identify here? This is the least value amongst the two. Okay. For example, you take 1 to 4. Okay. Or for example, you take 3 to 5. Okay. Least is 2. It means it is always, you assume that it is an optimistic time. And prismatic time means highest value always. That I have written here, great. GREAT. Okay. Prismatic time means always a higher value. Okay. Just see here. No, wait. Most likely time. Just check it. Most likely time is always in between. I think I have taken just 1 second. I will check this, what I have written. Most likely, yes. Just have a look at. See, most likely it is great. Most likely, please change it. This is prismatic time, TP, second one. And third one is most likely time. Let me write here. This is optimistic time, this line. And this is prismatic time, higher values always, just look. And this is most likely, in between. Okay, in between. So optimistic time is least time. Okay, prismatic time is higher values, and most likely it means in between higher values. In between low and high, these are all most likely time. Remember it. Okay. Confirm this. Instead of saying optimistic, they may say least. Least means always optimistic time. Okay. Most likely means always it is in between. And prismatic means higher values. that I have written clearly here. Can you see this? Yes. Now let us draw the network diagram first. Yes, Mahantesh, can you able to hear me? Bade Saheb? Yes, please. Yes. Yeah. Bade Saheb, Mahantesh, Prajwal, 3 have joined. Only 3 have joined. I think based on this kind 2 problems I have taken already before today. Okay. I think based on that knowledge, whatever you have, please guide me how to draw network. See here, 1 to 2, 1 to 3. It means from the node 1, 2 directions are. Yes, please let me draw here. See, this is 1. Shall I draw 2 arrows? 1 to 2 and 1 to 3. Okay, is it clear? Next you see 1 to 4, 2 to 5. Yes, 1 to 4, 2 to 5. Let me see here. Let me draw here 2 to where it is 1 to 2, 1 to 3 I have drawn. Next 1 to 4 is there, one more. Yes, see here 1 to 4 I have drawn right now. Is it clear? Well, then 2 to 5 he say. Let me draw 2 to 5, and then the 3 to 5 it is going like this. Then 4 to 6. Okay. Yes. Okay, let me say like this, 4 to 6, then 5 to 6. Is it clear? Yes, this is the diagram. Am I right? Well, now what is our duty? To find the ET and LT for all the activity. Okay, anyway, as we know, for the node 1, 0 and 0. Okay, for 1 to 2, we have to find out. We have to find out first how it is. Activity time is nothing but TP minus TO. Sorry. Yes. TP plus TO plus TM divided by 4T. Yes, 4TM divided by 6. Okay. Accordingly, let you know that is 4TM. TM is this. Now 4. This is 5. 12. 2. Okay. It means this is 2. Correct? Yes. Second, you tell me now. Second one, how much it is coming? 1, 2, 3. Just calculate and tell me. See, 16, 16, 17, 24, 4. This is 4, correct? 4 coming or not? Yes, 4 is coming. Next, let us see. The 4 is over. 5 here come will here. Yes. 2 to 5. 2 to 5. Akshay, welcome. Akshay, good morning, good afternoon, welcome. 2 to 5. Okay. What is 2 to 5? Here is 2 to 5. 4 plus 6 divided by 6, 1. I think it is going to be 2 to 5 is 1. Okay. 2 to 5 is 1 or not? Yes. 2 to 5 is 1. Next come 1 to 3. 1 to 3. See here 16, 17, 24. I think it is going to be 4 once again. What is that? 1 to 3 is 4. Just check it out. It is right or wrong. Just I am doing by my mouth. Okay, I don't have calculator here to calculate. 1 to 3. See here 1 to 3. Okay, very good. It is going to come 3. Rise. 1 to 3 is going to come 4. Correct? Yes. Next 1 to 4 is over. 1 to 3 is over. 1 to 2. 1 to 2 is, I think it is going to come 2 only. Okay. Well, after the 5, let us go to the 6. question is, if you are writing there earliest time and latest time, you have to be very careful. Okay, see here, no, like 5 to 5 6. Where is 5 6? Here is 5 6, 24. Okay, 27, 37, 42. Okay, then it is going to be 7 5 6. Just check, is it going to come 7 or not? Yes, it is going to come 7 only. Okay, next 3 5, just 3 5, 20. Okay, 34, 36. I think it is going to come 6. 3 5 is going to come 6. Is it clear now? Well, and now come to the point, 4 to 6. Yes, 4 to 6, 30, 38, 40. 40 divided by 6. No, I think it is 20, 28, 30. Yes, it is 5. Yes, it is 5. Yes, now we have calculated, what is that? Expected or actual time of all the activity. Is it correct? See here, activity. Let me write firstly, because see, in one of the question he has asked, just have a look at. Yes, please. Expected time or actual time of each activity. Am I right? Yeah. Either you can show along with the network diagram, or else better you present it in the different table only, so that for the evaluator it is going to be easy for him to evaluate fastly. Okay. And variance he is asking. We'll take it later. What is variance? First we'll enter what is question? Yes, expected time of each activity. What are activity? 1 to 2, 1 3, 1 4. Can you see the screen? 2 5, 3 5, and okay, 4 6, and 5 6. Please you prepare this table. Am I right? Expected time, sorry, that is a TE. Okay, let us write 1 to 2. What is expected time? Yes, very good. I want answer today from your end only. Instead I repeat and I explain. Okay, tell me now. 1 2 3. 1 2 3 is 4. Okay, next 1 4, 1 4 3. Next 2 5, 2 5 is 1. Next 3 5, 6. Next 4 6. Next 5 6. Yes, this is the expected time. So better you prepare table like this, then you write all the values, so that for the evaluator it will become very easy, instead of checking each and every value in the network diagram. Am I right? Okay. Well, now we have found out the expected time or actual time of each activity. Just see in the question. And variance of each activity. Variance of each activity. Okay. See here, we have 7 activities. We cannot find variance because we know TP minus TO divided by 6 to the square. Am I right? This is variance equation. Variance of each activity. Okay. For example, variance of activity 1 to 2. How to find? TP. TP is 7. Okay. Minus TO is 1 divided by 6 to the square, which is nothing but 1. Am I right? Yes. Variance. Now we will write here variance of activity V. Okay. Yes, this is 1. Tell me the second one. 1 3. Yes. Yeah. See here. 7 minus 1 divide. Once again it is also 1. Next it is also 1. See here. 8 minus 2 6 divided by 6 1 to the square 1 once again. Am I right? Yes, this is 0. 1 minus 1 divided by 6 to the square 0. See how the easy problem is. This is okay. Next 3 5. Yes, 12 2. I think it is 4. Yes, 3 5. Check. Is it right? 14 minus 2 is 12. Divided by 6, that is 2. 2 the square is 4. 4 I have written. Next 4 6. Yeah. 1. Very good. It is 1. Next 12 2. I think it is 4. Yes, this completes the your answer for the question number 2. Expected time for each activity and variance of each activity, not variance of critical path he is asking. Especially he is mentioning variance of each activity. Am I right? Yes. Now let us come to the what is that project duration. Anyway, he has not asked if the project due date is 19 weeks, what is the probability? Z. Okay, to find the Z we must know when it is going to complete the project. Am I right? For that what we should do? Tell me now what I should do. No, that is okay, yaar. But to know this final date, final day, weeks of this project, what I should, how to calculate that? No, critical path. How I will get to know critical path? Go reverse. Come on, go reverse. ET and LT, yaar. Earliest time and latest time we should calculate. Yeah, am I right? Without which you cannot find a critical path or project duration. Correct? Yes. Now tell me earliest time of activity 1 to 2. Tell me now. Forward direction, higher value should be written always. Tell me now. 1 to 2. How much? Or its earliest time is how much? Is it correct? पक्का? Okay, लॉक किया जाए. ठीक है. Next 1 2 3. 1 3. What is its earliest time? Yes, पक्का 4. हाँ. What about this 1 4 earliest time? 3. Okay. Let me come to the 5 node. What I should write now? Tell me whether I have to write 2 plus 1 is 3, 4 plus 6 is 10. 10 I have to write? Yes, 10. Correct? Well, now you tell me after 5 6 comes, what I should write? 17 I should write, or 3 plus 5 8 I should write? 17. Very good. It means it will take 17 days to complete the project. Correct? Well, its latest time is also 17. Correct? Well, now we will go reverse. After 6 we will go to 5. Tell me now what I should write. In case of LT, what I should write? Yes, very good. 10. Wherever the difference of these two is 0, correct? Yes, please do not forget to draw double line which indicates critical path of this activity. Not, I don't know further. Let us see. Well, after 5, let us come 3. How much I should write? Yes, it is 4. 10 minus 4 is 4. So difference of these two is 0. So shall I draw double line? Yes. Okay. Yes. Next, come to the point 2. Tell me what is the latest time? Very good. 9. All of you, can you able to see the diagram? all of you, can you able to see the diagram? Akshay Kumar, good afternoon, did late to join. Akshay Kumar, can you able to hear me and see the screen? Yes, Akshay Kumar, can you able to hear me? Okay, yes, to write one, yes please, to write one, what I should see here, after 2 3 here 4, tell me, to this what I should write? 17 minus 5 is 12, correct. Yes, then see here, well, to this what I should write? 4 minus 4 is 0, it means this is double line. See how this zigzag has gone? This is called critical path, correct. Tell me now, what is critical path? 1 3 yes, this is critical path. Am I right? Well, please come to the question number 3. Question 1 we have drawn network. Will you agree? Yes. Second question, expected time or actual time of each activity we have found out. Variance of each activity we have found out. See here, variance of each activity. This is the actual time. By making use of these equations, correct, variance, and expected time is this equation, correct. Well, third one is variance and standard deviation. Well, come to the fourth, later on we'll go to this one. Okay, well, if the project due date is 19 weeks, okay, what is the probability Z of meeting due date? It means, what is the probability? Probability can be denoted by Z. Okay, so due date DD minus expected date. What we have found out? This is expected date divided by, yes, tell me, variance of C means critical path. Critical path, not only variance. Variance of what? Variance of critical path. Am I right? Yes, write this. What is the due date? Due date he has given is 19 weeks. Okay, 19 minus expected date is 17 divided by variance of critical path. See, critical path is 1 3. What is 1 3? See, this is 1. Next 3 5. 3 5 is 4. Next 5 6. 5 6 is 4. Okay, total 9. Shall I write 9 like this? If you get, see what is the value you are getting it. Okay, and at which whatever value you are getting it, if you see the normal table, we will get the percentage of completing the project. That much percentage is going to complete, correct. Yes, fourth is completed. Come to the 3, question number 3, variance and standard deviation. Come on, variance means variance of critical path. Am I right? Critical path means this is 9. See here, we have found it 9. So if you remove the square, how much it is? 3. This is called deviation. or you can say standard deviation. Correct? Yes. Any doubt in this problem? Yes. Any doubt in this? Not only in this problem here, already I have sent you PERT and CPM notes theoretical part. Yes, I don't know how many of you have gone it. Please, this is the procedure you have to follow. Don't be, you peoples are in the impression that college will reopen 2-3 months, again classes will be taken. No, I repeat this word. Don't be under the impression that you will come to the college and attend regular classes like how in the early time, the 3 months time will be given, again same problems will be taken in the classroom, again explaining. No, very sorry. Only revision is going, only revision in the sense, whichever had a doubt of any technique, any method in any of the topic, that will be writing on the board and explaining. Only revision of all the modules. Please understand this. So being in house, as if you are preparing towards the exam only. Please understand that. Let anybody say anything, it is all wrong. The right one is, seriously you are studying in your house, wherever you stay. Please understand the method, technique involved in problem. Not only, see, PERT and CPM is such a topic. Yes, if you attempt it, you will score it. If you do not attempt, you will fail it. Yes, easiest topic. Only network diagram should be drawn logically. Shape of network can be anything, don't worry, but the logical sequence should continue like how it was given in the problem. Okay, in case, for example, I am telling you, okay, if it is a 4, if it is a 6, okay, 4 6 is a wrong. Okay, 4 6 maybe it is seems in the problem, but where is 5 6? You are not drawn 5 6. Am I right? 1 2 4 3. Okay, let us say this is some value, that is wrong. All the sequences should be followed in the network diagram. And once if you draw the network diagram, please find earliest time and latest time. This is the second step. Until and unless you calculate earliest time and latest time, you never will come to know final completion date or days or weeks. Plus you don't know where the critical path is going to come. So if you wanted to know critical path and final date, yes, then you have to find earliest time and latest time, without which you cannot proceed in the further problem. But remember that while finding the earliest time, we are going forward. Am I right? Yes, and higher value should be written for earliest time. And to calculate latest time, please come in the reverse order. In the backward direction you have to come. While coming to the backward, to calculate LT, minimum value should be written at each node. Minimum value should be written at each node, but higher value should be written for ET when you are going the forward direction. Yes, I think these types of problems. What is that? For single activity, if you have 3 different times, you will come to know now, you have understood how to solve the problem. Am I right? Am I right? I think 3 or if you want I will take one more problem based on this tomorrow, don't worry. But my idea is you have to be perfect. Whatever the number of problem if I take, procedure remain going same, no change in procedure. When 3 different times are given, please you find out actual time with help of these 3 times. Okay, and before this type of problem we have solved, actual time was given. Last week I have solved 3-4 problems solved, wherein we have found out floats, early total float, free float and independent float we have found out in the last week, whoever was attended. So based on this, one question comes, and whatever we have solved including yesterday and day before yesterday, one more question comes. So this is compulsory. Okay, and this is also compulsory, because in each module you have 2 questions. Am I right? 32 marks you are getting, plus 16, 32. I will tell you one more type problem tomorrow, C type. What is that? Of course the same procedure is following, but instead of giving activity by numbers, instead of giving such activities by numbers, he has given numbers here. In that case what happens, in the section C, in the C bit, he say A, B, C, he is saying. He don't give numbers 1, 2, 3. No. Instead he is saying A, B, C. Am I right? So in that case, how to draw network diagram? Once if you draw the network diagram by making use of these letters A, B, C. Am I right? Next, procedure remain same. It can be ET, LT, it can be a critical path, or it can be a ZD, probability of project completion, or it can be a variance of critical path, or it can be a critical path, whatever it is, whatever. Same procedure goes, but only the network diagram based on logical sequence we have to draw by making use of letters A, B, C, D, E, F, whatever he is giving in the problem or data. Are you understanding, please? It means yes, yes, in the last week we have solved when actual time was given for each activity, wherein we have found out TF, total float, free float and independent float. In the next B bit, such types of problems we have solved. What is that such type? 3 different types of times are being given. With help of these 3 types we are finding the actual time. Then procedure remains same. And in the C, tomorrow what I am going to take, in that type, of course you have the activities, but they are not by the number, they are by the letters A, B, C, T, likewise it is. Okay, so tomorrow I will take that kind of problem. Okay, any doubt so far in the PERT and CPM, whatever we have solved, please you can feel free to ask me regarding PERT and CPM topic. Okay, in the transportation, please go to the another module which was already started in the college plus online class also, transportation problem module, wherein VAM method we have studied and taken a number of problems. You must know what this VAM method rules is. Yes, can you speak anybody? VAM method, we have taken number of problems how to solve by VAM method. Next we have taken northwest corner rule. Okay, next we have taken assignment problem. Assignment, be thorough in all these methods. Pakka VAM is going to come, pakka assignment problem is going to come. and Pakka Modi method is going to come. In the Modi method, yes, 4 steps I have taught already very clearly. How to do 4 steps. Number 1, 2, 3, 4. Up to the 4th step, we know how to calculate. Am I right? Yes. And 5th step, when you are joining to the college, I will tell you how it is. 5th step, last step that is. But up to 4th step, all the steps are very simple. Only addition, subtraction. Well, please come to the VA method. Here, unbalanced and balanced. 2 types comes. Remember it. Balanced means square matrix. M is also 4, N is also 4, square matrix. Whereas unbalanced means, it means supply and demand both matches. But in case of unbalanced, supply is not equal to demand. Supply is not equal to demand. It means either supply is more or demand is more. If demand is more, supply is less. In that case, we have to introduce a dummy row, dummy column, whatever it is, depends on the problem. Please understand, balanced and unbalanced. In case of assignment also, balanced and unbalanced. Remember it. Yes. If it is unbalanced, based on the given problem, please you add either row with entries as 0. Whatever the row or column you are introducing, its cost is 0, 0, 0. Is it clear? Well, and Modi steps. Okay. With one more is there, traveling salesman problem. One more problem is left. This also is going to come one of the bit in the final exam. It means this is going to be taken by myself. I will take you in the online class only. It means except this 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 methods roughly completed with varieties of problem. So this completes the transportation module complete. Remember it. Except TSP plus 5th step of Modi. Except these 2, complete module is completed. Remember it. Your duty is to take the problems and practice it. If you have any doubt, please call me on phone also, or please call me video call you call me, so that you can show, sir, this is the problem I have confused, tell me, so that in video I can explain you till you come to the college. Once if you come to the college, I am going to do the revision, only revision. I repeat, not only I am doing, everybody is doing only revision. So you focus more, spend more time with OR subject. Only addition, subtraction is there in the OR, but technique should be followed compulsorily. Rules should be followed. You cannot violate the steps, rules or techniques. Involved in any method. Yes, last 1 minute is left. My dear friends, last 1 minute is left. Time is running out. Hope you understood the today's problem, and with one more problem tomorrow of different type. As I said, letters A, B, C, D. With that I will come and see you tomorrow once again. Thank you. Take care. Bye.